study had found massive numbers of plastic particles in bottled water. Erie News Now's Megan Selensky is live in studio this morning after talking to some local researchers about these new findings and bottled water concerns as a result. Good morning, Megan.
Good morning, Mark. Well, you might have heard some people say they only drink bottled water or vice versa, but which is actually healthier? Well, a recent study has found that thousands of tiny nanoparticles in bottled water has given us that answer. At Penn State Behrend, the Director of Sustainability, Sherry Mason, was one of the first to find that 1 liter of bottled water averages 325 pieces of microplastics. This new research has now evolved to detect nanoplastics, which are particles that are even smaller.
We're talking things that are 1/100th the width of a human hair.
Mason tells us that scientists from Columbia and Rutgers University found that 250,000 particles of nanoplastics are found in bottled water. She says that there are serious health implications from ingesting plastic.
That they lead to oxidative stress, neurological disorders, inflammation, kind of a whole suite of human health impacts. Now we're going to be able to study into the nanoplastic range. So you're going to see kind of more kind of an understanding of what are the human health implications of this.
Other researchers in the field say that this study is another example of why we should be reducing our plastic consumption.
Again, anything reusable is going to be helpful, is going to reduce the amount of nanoplastics and microplastics that we're putting into the environment and that we're asking, folks to manufacture to put into the environments.
Well, now that they're able to detect these nanoparticles, more research still needs to be done on what impact they have, but Mason tells us that it's better to stick with the tap water instead of drinking your bottled water. From the studio, Megan Selensky, Erie News Now.